Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
If you take the Pissurlem dump, the Pissurlem dump is located. They claim that there is a dump of 3 lakh tons on the lease. It's not 3 lakh tons, it's much more than 3 lakh tons. But they claim that there is a dump of 3 lakhs on the lease. This is declared by Damodar Mangalji Corporation, which is the leaseholder of TC number 95 or 52. This lease was given an environment clearance in 2007 and started declaring extraction from the lease. They were given for 7 lakh tons. In the first year, they claimed they removed 50,000 tons. And every year, they claimed that they removed 50,000 tons, 10,000 tons, 7,500 tons. In the middle, they claimed that they made a dump of 1,52,000 tons. Then in 2015, they say again that we have got a dump of nearly 3 lakh tons. Now, you will be shocked. You will really be shocked to know that lease with TC number 95 or 52 has never operated in his entire lifetime. There is no sign of any mineral extraction on the entire lease. But this is why the villagers went on a protest. Maybe they were beaten up. One day there will be redress. The truth will come. But this is what we are telling you from the facts, from the documents submitted by DMC to the IBM, to the DMG and so on. So we are asking for a SIT or CBI inquiry into all the people involved in this transaction. From the people from the Department of Mines to the Indian Bureau of Mines to everybody to say, how did you accept even a declaration from a leaseholder that he was removing ore when never any ore has ever been removed in the last 20 years?